Have you ever wondered why some posts on LinkedIn go viral while others barely get noticed? The secret lies in understanding LinkedIn's algorithm. If you are looking to make a bigger impact on LinkedIn, attract the right audience, and grow your personal brand, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. Let's understand the foundation of LinkedIn's algorithm. Like most social platforms, LinkedIn's algorithm decides what content appears in users' feed. The goal is to prioritize content that is relevant, engaging, and valuable to each individual user. By understanding how this works, you can tailor your content to perform better. The LinkedIn algorithm evaluates your post based on three key stages: initial filtering, early engagement test, and ongoing performance. Let's understand one by one. Stage 1: Initial filtering. The algorithm first determines if your post is spam, low quality, or high quality. To avoid getting flagged as a spam, keep your post professional and authentic. Avoid overloading your content with links, hashtags, or phrases that look too promotional. High quality posts, on the other hand, are typically those with well written text, meaningful visuals, or a compelling call to action. Stage 2: Early engagement test. Once your post is deemed high quality, it is shown to a small portion of your network. The algorithm closely observes how this initial audience interact with your post. If it gets likes, comments, or shared within the first few hours, LinkedIn assumes it's valuable content and start pushing it to more people. This means posting at the right time makes a big difference. Stage 3: Ongoing performance. The algorithm continues to monitor your post performance over time. If it consistently receives engagement, it remains in the feed longer, reaching an even broader audience. On the flip side, if engagement decreases, your post visibility decreases. Now we understand the basic process. Let's move to the 8 actionable strategies to increase your visibility on LinkedIn. Strategy number 1: Post valuable and relevant content. First and foremost, your content needs to resonate with your audience. This could be actionable tips, personal stories, or industry insight. Use storytelling to make your post relatable and memorable. Whether it's inspiration, curiosity, or even humor, tend to perform better. Strategy number 2: Leverage the power of engagement. LinkedIn rewards posts that spark conversation. To encourage engagement, ask thoughtful, provoking questions or include a clear call to action. For example, instead of saying, "This is my opinion," you could say, "What do you think? I would love to hear your perspective." Always respond to comments quickly to keep the conversation going. Strategy number 3: Timing is everything. Your audience activity patterns matter. For many professionals, the best time to post are early morning or around lunch break on weekdays. Experiment with posting at different timing and track what works best for your audience. Strategy number 4: Optimize your post format. LinkedIn algorithm favors certain type of contents. Text posts with no links perform well because they keep user on the platform. Images and videos also do well as they grab attention and increase timing spent on the post. If you are sharing links, add them in the comment instead of main post to avoid the algorithm penalizing your reach. Strategy number 5: Build meaningful connections. Your content is more likely to appear in the feed of those you frequently engage with. This means commenting on others' posts, sending personalized messages, and actively participating in LinkedIn group can help strengthen your network. Strategy number 6: Use hashtags strategically. Hashtag can expand your reach if used correctly. LinkedIn recommends using 3 to 5 hashtags per post. Include a mix of popular hashtags, niche ones, or your own branded hashtags to maximize visibility. Strategy number 7: Focus on consistency. The algorithm rewards users who post consistently, whether it's once a day or twice a week. Set a schedule and stick to it. Consistency helps establish trust with your audience and keep your content top of the mind. Strategy number 8: Share personal insights. Posts that share personal experiences often perform well. People want to connect with authenticity. Sharing your challenges, success, or lesson learned that can make your content more relatable and engaging. Here is the quick pro tip: engagement leads to more engagement. If you want your post to gain traction, you will need to engage with others' content. Spend 10 to 15 minutes daily liking, commenting, and sharing relevant posts within your network. The more active you are, the more LinkedIn's algorithm will favor you. Finally, let's talk about analytics. LinkedIn provides data on how your posts are performing. including impressions, clicks, and engagement rates. Use the information to refine your strategy. Pay attention to what's working and double down on it. If certain type of posts are not performing well, experiment with different format, tones, or topics. Increasing your visibility on LinkedIn is all about understanding how your algorithm works and align your content strategy accordingly. Focus on creating value, sparking engagement, and building genuine connections over time. You will see your reach and influence grow. Thanks for watching this video. Support my channel just to click on subscribe button. I'm signing off and I'll see you in the next one.